How to hide online status and last seen on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it. After you open your WhatsApp, all you have to do, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Go to settings. Go to privacy. Tap on this last seen and online. So as you can see here, it says who can see your last seen, this one. Who can see my last seen, and the second one is who can see when I'm online. So tap on this nobody. Scroll to down and tap on this same as last seen. So now tap on this back. That's it guys on how to hide your last seen and online status on WhatsApp. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe.